Aunt Becky because she's pretty and she hugs and kisses us and she texts us in sometimes.
Go.
I love Aunt Becky because she's nice, pretty, and she looks like me.
I love Aunt Becky because she's nice and pretty and she hugs me.
I love Aunt Becky because she's nice and sweet and I love her very, very much.
3, go.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday.
He said birthday too.
Actually, forget it. 3,
Happy